That's breakfast this morning. I'm tired. I don't feel like making anything extravagant. Not yet, anyways. Damn, not enough water. Perfect. Coffee. Oh, yes. Coffee. Lunchtime. You know what that is? Ground beef and ground pork. I'm gonna cook that up for lunch. Back to lunch. So I'm going to separate this in two because it's going to be for 2 meals. One for today, one for tomorrow. But I'm going to add something to this. I have some leftover Clubhouse chili mix. I'm going to add that to the ground beef because I got something yummy this afternoon for lunch. Now I added the packets and I added 2 tablespoons of water just so it makes a little bit of liquid. It's a little dry. And that should be it. Turn the oven off and make some lunch. Lunch, lunch, lunch. Lunch, lunch, lunch. Lunch, lunch, lunch. Oh, I guess I shouldn't dance. It makes the camera shake. I just wanted to show you guys how I just seen that my plant here has all these beautiful flowers coming in. It's quite bright out. Might not be able to see it, but it's my Thanksgiving plant. This plant is over 60 years old. It was my great grandmother's plant. And it's beautiful right now. Like, let's see if we can close the curtains here so you can see better. Look at that. They're all coming out. Look how beautiful that is. You're so beautiful today. And they love each other. They like to touch each other. All these different plants. This is what I call Big Mama. I'm not too sure the name of the plant itself, but I've had that for years. This is a lemon. This is lemon seeds growing. That's lemon as well. That was supposed to be green, not green peppers, red peppers, yellow peppers. And I've had it for about, 2 years. Nothing came from it. But I just like the way it looks. Let's get that done. Here's my little area. All the little kids, when they come over, they like to go to this area here and play with the little Bonums and the dragon. These little figurines here. And that's my plant area in my living room. That's my Mexican parrot. Show you the parrot here. Hey, turn around. Ah. My friend got me this in Cancun, Mexico when she went on a trip. And here we go, guys. That's my living room corner. Lunchtime. I'm making tostito chili scoops. Something simple because I'm quite tired today. I didn't sleep very well last night, so I'm making it easy today. So I'm going to be using the ground beef and ground pork that I made up this morning. I'm going to use half of the container. Some salsa left over in my fridge. White corn and black bean mild salsa by President's Choice. And old cheddar cheese to put on top. First is first, let's set the oven. Started at 350. Just to warm it up. Oh, and I'm going to add some olives, leftover olives I had in the fridge. Let's get rid of this stuff, guys. Let's taste it first because it's dated September 21st. So perfectly fresh. It still tastes the same. No bad taste. Still crunchy. Perfect. So I'm going to line this whole thing. Let's just take some out like that. We're making it light because we went to my mom's this morning after breakfast. And my mom, of course, offered us some French toast. I didn't feel like any French toast. I didn't feel like eating. I wasn't too hungry. So Jay had some French toast. So he's not that hungry. I'm not hungry today at all, actually. I was like that yesterday, too. Take these little chips that are broken. Keep that for another recipe. Oh my gosh. Yeah, most of this bag are broken chips. Great. Let's see if we get some decent ones here. So I make these sometimes for game night for the guys. It's a hit. It's gone in 2 minutes. So I thought, well, this would be a nice, easy lunch. I had to get rid of the salsa, the olives, and I had to get rid of these chips because of the date on it. Or I wanted to, anyways. Okay. Couple more. They're so tasty. Tasty little guys. Okay. 2 more. Okay, good enough. So now, what we do is you mix this up. This has corn in it too, guys. This salsa. It's pretty good salsa. Just put it in the bottom. I'm going to make a couple of them just to show you. And then I'll show you what the tray looks like at the end. Okay. Just a little bit. Ooh, quite a bit there. Okay. So then you take some meat, stick it on top. Now I usually don't put the meat for the guys on game night, but you know what, next time I will. You could do this with chicken, you could do this with turkey, guacamole, whatever you like. You should just do the salsa and cheese. The guys are quite content with that. They're pretty basic. And now the olives. So these are pre-cut olives. Just put a couple on there. Maybe about 2 or 3 of them. Not too many because there's not much room. They're just little bite-sized little guys. Okay. Just to show you what it looks like. I add a little bit of cheese on the top. You could eat these as is, but I'm going to put them in the oven for a couple minutes on broil once they're ready. So that's what they look like. Give you a little bit of a close-up here. Let's see. Okay. And there they are, ready to go in the oven for 2 minutes. I finished up the chopped olives. I finished up that salsa jar. I still have half a salsa jar of a different flavor inside the fridge. I have half a bag of this left, so that's another day. And I still have some hamburger left for another recipe. And cheese, of course. So, 2 minutes in the oven. Da, 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 da. Put that away inside the fridge. Do, 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 do. Oh, I never noticed it was on. And the bites are ready. Nice and toasty brown, melted, and hot and steamy. So, my taco chili bites. Yum, yum. And now for dinner. Jay's going to have the rest of that pulled pork from yesterday, but I'm going to do it something differently this way. It doesn't make a mess like yesterday. So I'm going to cut this in 4. Like that. Make sure they spread apart. Like that. Okay. Then I'm going to put some butter on it. Let's put that in the camera view. There we go. Put Some butter all over. Get out of my way, knife. Do butter. Do butter. Just gonna pull that away. Do butter. Butter. Put lots and lots and lots and lots of butter. I know it's a boring part of the show, but you know what? That's fine. That's fine. Because you need to know exactly what I'm doing. Okay. So on that, I will put, let's see, where is it? Where is it? Ow, ow, ow. I'm looking for garlic powder. So a little bit of garlic powder. Can you see? Of course you can see. Actually, I'm going to use my hand. So sprinkle a little garlic powder on there. This is going to be for Jay's lunch tonight. I'm not eating pulled pork again. I'm not feeling it. So what I'm going to be doing is giving him the rest of that pulled pork. And I'm just going to eat snacks. So crackers and, you know, pickles and stuff. I'll show you what I'll eat later. So a little bit of that, and then what? Paprika. Paprika. No paprika. Oh, I got some cayenne. Cayenne. A little bit of cayenne. Just a little bit. Okay. And he's going to have these to eat with his pulled pork, but I'm going to put it in the air fryer because I want to crisp them up. Make like a chip. Put it in the air fryer, do-do-do. 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 Yes, this is me every day, no matter what. I don't have to be on camera. This is what I do. I sing, I cook. Okay, it's in the air fryer. Standing up, almost touching the element. Jeez Lee. There. Get in there! Jesus Christ. Yes, look at my fingers. So time. Let's go 3 minutes. You know those cookies I made yesterday? This is all we have left. Gave a couple to my parents. They loved them. They were scrumptious, they said. They said it was really good. So, we're going to eat the last two. I'm going to put one in his lunch. And I'm going to have one right now. And dinner is served for my man. Well, his lunch dinner. His lunch dinner. His work dinner. My gosh. So I got his pitas. His garlic bread pitas. I have his granola and leftover yogurt. His raspberry cookies. Guess what? I have one left for me, and that's it. That batch is gone. They were amazing. And some pulled pork. Leftover pulled pork from yesterday to go with the pitas. And that's his work lunch for today. Nice, sunny, beautiful day again. So we're sitting outside having lunch. These are so good, Jay. Mm-hmm. Next time I'm going to do them with chicken and bacon. Pictures for peanuts, baby. Hi. Hi. Say hi. Did you want a peanut, sweetheart? Daddy, where's the peanuts? Where's the peanuts? I don't see no peanuts. RJ, where's your peanut? Where's your bowl? Look. Come see your bowl, baby. Look. Oh. That's the bag you bought yesterday. Look at all that good stuff in there. He loves it. He was guarding it all day. See, even he is spoiled. Breakfast done, lunch is done, supper's only snacks. That's an easy day for me, that's for sure. I'm just gonna have snacks tonight. Maybe some Triscuits and an apple or something. Well, it's the end of my day. I thought I'd make myself a little dinner. So I decided to take some Triscuits. I got this box for 50 cents at Dollar Tree. That was in my stock. So I'm going to eat that. It's chia seed and rosemary jalapeno. They are really good. And actually, they're not even spicy. You'd think they'd be spicy or, hot because of the jalapeno. No, not at all. So I have that with Queen Anne olives, an apple that I cut up, an orange that I cut up, and some old cheddar cheese. I wanted something light tonight. I didn't feel like cooking. So that's what I'm having for dinner tonight. Nice and easy. Well, it's that time of day. Time to relax. Dinner's done, dishes are done, kitchen's clean. Thumbs up for me. Today was more of a snack day. Nice and easy. Nothing too extravagant. So, come back tomorrow. It's day 4 tomorrow. Let's see what we'll have tomorrow for my concoction recipes. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe. And be sure to leave a comment. I like hearing from you guys. I like hearing good comments. Not bad comments. Good comments. No trolls allowed. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye for now.